In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in a Trello board for the year 2025. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to fire up your trusty web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've got your email and password handy, go ahead and type those in. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google account if that's more convenient for you. Once you're all logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Trello dashboard. From here, you should see a button or a tab that says Boards. Click on that to proceed. This will take you to the space where all your Trello boards live. If you belong to multiple workspaces, you'll need to direct your attention to the left side and look for the section titled Your Workspaces. Click on it to narrow down your options. Now go ahead and select the Trello board you want to spruce up with a new background. Simply click on the name of the board to open it up. With the board open in front of you, the next step is to locate the three dots, often referred to as the menu icon. This is your gateway to making changes on your board, so click on those three little dots. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Change Background. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the fun part begins, as you get to choose how you'd like your Trello board to look. If you fancy a photo background, click on Photos to peruse the selection. Browse through the different images available and click on the one that catches your eye to set it as your board's background. But maybe a photo isn't what you're after, and you prefer something a bit simpler. Trello also offers a variety of solid colors to choose from. Just click on Color instead, and you can pick the shade that best suits your needs. It's a great way to match the board's vibe to the rest of your project or team branding. And finally, for those of you who like to add a personal touch, Trello gives you the option to upload your own custom image. Just click on Custom and select the image you wish to use from your device. This way your Trello board can be as unique as the projects you're managing on it. And there you have it. Following these steps, you'll have a fresh new look for your Trello board in no time. Whether you opt for a striking photo, a solid color, or your own custom image, each option allows you a bit of creativity in organizing your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy Trelloing.